Here's interesting social app called BePerk, Christian social media. So, it's kind of like Facebook or Twitter just for Christians, connecting believers all over the world with the Christian entertainment community and our love for God. BePerk is the social media home for Christians to not only post and connect with friends, but to freely share and grow your faith in a safe place where you can be yourself. Feel free to entertain yourself with exciting and genuine short form videos. We make it easy for you to discover inspiring content and create your own original videos. Watch all types of videos from comedy, food, sermons, Bible studies, and all of that. Sometimes right now in this very paralyzed world, it just feels much more safe to have apps like specifically dedicated to community you like. So if you're a Christian, you don't always want to open like X app or Facebook app or like Instagram. You just want to have your community while you feel comfortable and where you can have fun. So that's basically like a niche social media app. And yeah, you can just open it up. And here is how it looks like. So then you can just open it up. And then basically it looks like TikTok. So you can just swipe, there's featured feed. Then it's kind of like, it's very similar to TikTok basically. It's like TikTok for Christians. Then there is stories where you can find friends. You can also post a story. Then there are DAOs as well. So that's like a BePerk DAO of the day. Then there are all other DAOs. You can just post what's on your mind. Then there is like testimony. Then there is like a prayer requests. So that's what kind of makes this app different from other apps. And a lot of people like BePerk. It's quite popular app. As you can see, it's growing in the charts. And then you just have your account where again you can just sort by posts, stories, DAOs. And then you can just edit your profile, and then from here you can see your name. Then if you want, you can just set private account. You can hide followings. You can set up your username. I don't know how you can, if you can set up your username like that. So, okay. And then you just have your settings in the top right. If you wanna, you can just easily delete an account, enable dark mode. So then, you can just invite people like this. And then, so that's basically the idea. I don't know how, if you just search, let's see if you can just search. Seems like you can search people like that by username. And then try to add them. And then you can just follow them. I'm not sure if you can, it seems you can only just message people in this app. So that's that. I don't know how safe this app is. Are there a lot of bots, AI profiles? In modern world, it's quite easy to set up these AI profiles, which will just message you all the time. So that's just what it is, but that's basically the app, and you can definitely give it a try and explore it, and just have fun with it. So that's about it. I don't know if it's available on Android, but that's the app. You can get it. As you can see, it's quite high in the social media charts, quite high average rating. If you see, there are not that much ratings, but people write this app was there for a while. It's not like it appeared last week and then it can disappear. So seems it's like legit community there. Mostly it's been here, you see some reviews from like 4 years ago, but now it's getting more and more popularity. That's what it is. Try it out. I'm not sure if there is a premium version where you can just upgrade and have some additional features and things like that. So that's basically that. Hope it is helpful.